How to grow thick eyebrows naturally. Thick eyebrows have always been in demand. Thick, well-shaped eyebrows can enhance your look, while thin and sparse eyebrows can make you look older and dull. Many people end up with eyebrows that are too thin because of overplucking, threading or waxing. Sometimes, thin eyebrows occur as a result of the aging process, nutritional deficiencies, poor cosmetic application or medical conditions like hypothyroidism, eczema, and alopecia areata. Medical treatments like chemotherapy and radiation can also cause hair loss, including on the brow line. If your eyebrows are too thin, you can easily solve this problem with the help of some natural home remedies. Here are the top 10 ways to grow thick eyebrows naturally. 1. Castor oil. Castor oil is one of the most effective remedies to boost the growth of your eyebrows. It contains protein, vitamins, fatty acids and antioxidants that nourish the hair follicles and promote hair growth. Plus, it is helpful in resisting any microorganisms that hamper eyebrow hair growth. Soak a cotton swab in pure castor oil and apply it on each eyebrow. Massage gently with your fingertips for 2 to 3 minutes. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or overnight. Wash it off with lukewarm water and a mild cleanser. Repeat once daily for a few weeks until you notice improvement. Note: stop using castor oil if it causes any irritation or burning. 2. Coconut oil. To enjoy dense and impressive eyebrows, you can use coconut oil. The various proteins as well as nutrients like vitamin E and iron in coconut oil promote healthy and thick eyebrows. It can also help make your eyebrows darker. Put a few drops of warm coconut oil on your fingertips and apply it on your eyebrows. Massage gently for a few minutes to boost blood circulation. Leave it on overnight. The next morning, rinse it off with warm water. Do this daily for 1 to 2 months to notice changes in the thickness of your eyebrows. 3. Olive oil. Olive oil is also good for your eyebrows. Being rich in vitamin E, olive oil can help your eyebrow hair grow faster and thicker. It will also help keep it dark-hued. Massage your eyebrows with warm olive oil for 5 minutes before going to bed. Leave it on overnight, then rinse it off with warm water the next morning. Alternatively, prepare a mixture with a half teaspoon of olive oil and a few drops of honey. Apply it on your eyebrows and massage for a few minutes. Leave it on for 30 minutes and then wash it off with warm water. Follow either of these remedies once daily until you get the desired results. 4. Onion juice. Onion juice also aids faster and denser growth of eyebrow hair. The juice has sulfur that improves the production of collagen tissues required for proper eyebrow growth. Also, it strengthens the hair follicles. Grind 1 small onion and extract the juice. Massage this juice into the eyebrows for about 5 minutes. Allow it to dry on its own, and then wash it off with a mild cleanser and cold water. Follow this treatment once daily for several weeks. 5. Egg yolk. The hair of the eyebrows is made up of keratin protein. An egg is a great source of protein. Thus, it can help improve the health of your hair, which in turn will make your eyebrows thick. Break 1 egg and separate the yolk from the white part. Beat the yolk until you get a thick, creamy consistency. Apply it on each of your brows with a cotton swab. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off with cold water. Use this protein treatment once or twice a week until you are satisfied with the result. 6. Fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds can also help grow thick eyebrows. They are rich in protein as well as nicotinic acid and lecithin that promote hair growth. The seeds also help in rebuilding hair follicles. Soak 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds in water for at least 5 hours. Grind the soaked seeds into a thick paste, then add a little coconut oil or almond oil. Apply the paste on the brows just before going to bed. Leave it on overnight. Wash it off in the morning with warm water. Follow this remedy 2 or 3 times a week for 2 months. 7. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has enzymes and moisturizing properties that nourish hair follicles and make your eyebrows grow faster and thicker. It can even make the skin near your eyebrows very soft. Extract the gel from an aloe vera leaf. Gently massage it over your eyebrows. Allow it to sit for 30 minutes before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. Another option is to prepare a paste with a half teaspoon of aloe vera gel and a little honey or coconut oil. Apply it to your eyebrows. Leave it on for 30 minutes and then rinse it off with water. Follow either of these remedies once daily for several weeks for best results. 8. Lemon. Lemon can also be useful for enhancing your beauty by making your eyebrows grow thicker. Being rich in vitamin C and B, folic acid and other nutrients, lemon can promote the growth of eyebrow hair. Simply rub a slice of lemon over your eyebrows. Leave the juice on for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse it off with warm water. Alternatively, put the sliced peels of 1 lemon into 1/4 cup of coconut oil. Allow the solution to sit for at least 15 days in a cool, dry place. Once ready, apply it on your eyebrows using a cotton ball every night before going to bed. Wash it off the next morning. Follow either of these remedies once daily to enhance your eyebrows. Note: avoid exposing your eyebrows to direct sunlight for 2 hours after using lemon as it can lighten the color of the hair. 9. Milk. You can also use milk to grow your eyebrows thicker. Milk contains protein as well as other nutrients that nourish hair roots and improve hair growth. Put a small amount of whole milk in a bowl. Dip a cotton ball into it and gently rub it on your eyebrows. Allow it to dry on its own and then rinse it off with warm water. Follow this remedy whenever possible to get the desired result. 10. Eat healthy. A good diet is essential to enjoy thick eyebrows. It will give your body the nutrients required for faster hair growth. Eat foods high in vitamin A like red pepper, sweet potatoes and carrots. Eat foods high in vitamin C like lemons, peppers, broccoli, papayas, and oranges. Eat foods high in vitamin E like almonds, peanuts, basil, spinach and olives. Eat foods rich in protein like cheese, tofu, beans, lentils and yogurt. Eat foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like avocados, walnuts, olive oil and salmon. Eat foods rich in iron like milk, fish, green vegetables and lean cuts of meat. If required, take a multivitamin or other supplements. Additional tips: massage the hair follicles under your eyebrows daily using circular movements in the direction of the hair growth. Exfoliate the skin around your eyebrows once in a while to remove dead skin cells and increase blood circulation. Apply petroleum jelly along your eyebrows 2 or 3 times daily to condition and moisturize them. It will also help promote thick eyebrows. Break open a vitamin E capsule and apply a few drops of the oil to your brows twice daily. Avoid plucking, tweezing or waxing the brows too frequently. Avoid applying too much makeup on the eyebrows. Avoid pressing your eyebrows too hard when applying an eyebrow pencil. Avoid scratching or rubbing your eyebrows too hard. Reduce stress as it can slow down the growth of your eyebrows. Sleep at least 6 hours daily to help your eyebrows grow faster and thicker. Drink enough water to keep your body hydrated and enjoy silky hair and plump eyebrows. Once your eyebrows are thick and lush, get them reshaped professionally. If you like the video, give a thumb up and share with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.